Machina Chapapa from Fidadamu, the guy is on Adjumpa FM. Not sure because bless the mic on a hydrogen MC and easy crack or job with the Rufi. And a KOJO Fiari, we say we are live on YouTube. I Katakyie FM TV, Katakyie FM TV. Or if you are grassy for a big study, Jachman Cassini, and a baby didn't come over the KOJO, maybe some man from who's indeed who Fiarum say, Fanema Faseka Cram and Amejade, Fanema Faseka Cram. To you make a cram in the meeting. Mama, what you have said to mommy? I'm not saying I'll be lady. Abu Foki Tiki Pia Bami Suntina, which I'm a halfway. Mummy 8K 47 or big plus or Jimmy Duffel, the body to a pay. Send me up. My antenna seen a garment in me who I say, yes, oh, don't on us. I can't Timu Sammy, you I be paying or me 30. Why am I feeling like I'm not safe? The love I gave you, I wanna tell you that it can never be replaced. Why am I feeling like I'm not safe? The love I gave you, I wanna tell you that it can never be replaced. I would get out the mommy, no, that's what shall me come. I gave you all my heart, my command is how I thumb. If you see me rolling now, just send me come. I the power be the call. See my baby gone, these people wanna say something. Though you did the dirty work, but I was the apron, baby, by the Shiva. Yes, indeed. Katakyie 90.9 FM on OFIE Fie Drive Show. Today, and Wednesday, and midweek, so I say yes. And any KOJO, Anna Edi Jumano, KOJO RAE, I said the KOJO RAE. Meaning, I want to voice in the one gas alone, and you will pay tea and I train my boy, you the amount. And I remember KOJO Aquaba, KOJO answer every remuno. The more Aquaba catch your fans, Nina, listeners, Nina, and say, I'm on my YouTube, I Katakyie FM TV, or also live. I'm on Anigyie Fie.
Okay, what's up, my people? It's here for I said okay na KOJO RAE my live, ain't it? The person mu nyina mu share Katakyie TV, right?
Yes, Katakyie FM TV
on YouTube. Chale mu ram near sell.
More fire. KOJO bibi aboko de.
Na me adum pacho no.
Obale na dum. Great. Yeah, share bebre. Kevin, yeah, KOJO mic ni ye mam. Yeah, share bebre, but I think say another phrase that ye share one-on-one is say studio
radio, yeah.
Yes. KOJO the anyone say KOJO superstar artist. Yes, me make us a superstar artist because KOJO guy or guest favorite and I say because guest any checking over. So Mate. KOJO the adudo na etie the adudo na enim ni se KOJO atwoma boy KOJO atwoma boy mami musa se no krasa se de yetete se KOJO atwoma boy na yampa.
Okay, actually me nyini wo tanoso.
Okay.
Around 18 19 me better.
Okay.
Currently hona me mama me papa.
Okay.
School on carry.
Okay. Na just say in fact say atwoma no de wo mu. Nice one. KOJO because and then the first time I mean we share say it. Mami musa say music career na share time ben.
Okay, me start music by my OJ.
Okay.
That time sick seminar dey. Me release nyom.
Okay.
A freestyle round bear.
Okay.
And I'm start releasing.
Okay. KOJO now first track here nyumbe.
Don't need your love. Best
song. My name is share music national. Na if you popi ni mommy no mo fan saying
Okay, you answer you know Life Bible Church.
Okay.
Yeah. You trying to enter the secular music and hardness now.
Okay.
Yeah, so me started, you know, me started what church. Yeah, and I'm a boy instrument. Later on, you must meet me rapping.
Okay.
So I feel like to meet my rapping. I'm starting rest studio, and I'm starting rest studio, and me did dim no more, and I'm a do no more trim. I'm a any day.
Okay.
It's name.
Is it as a hono? Why now? So the anchor. Star nine shining.
Maybe so I can shine over. Maybe I can be disophobia and I was a lion. And send the but now,
as of the room.
Oh, yeah, me pass sorry, pa, me, you know, Deeper Life Bible Church, me will be an amicus or idea.
Okay. Okay. But your music, music in him. For now, if we are talking about superstars in Ghana music industry, you are part. Ghana music industry, you know, how do you see it? Is it fair to you guys? It seems as a ebinumu didi, but ebinumu zunidi.
Okay. One thing about this industry is yes. Yeah, and there are a lot of people who make music.
Okay.
So you have to be different. Yeah, because if you hip hop.
Yes.
What about I must say hip hop? Yeah, but too medical, theater, papi KOJO.
Okay.
What about what sounded like them? It would be very difficult for you to penetrate. So I feel like just be yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, one thing I ever want no. They be a medanya me say me growth no. Me new be as a me be na boom.
Okay.
Started from 2022, me release ya woman that year and another could be some numbers. The following year, my so I think I'm growing on bit by bit, and I believe say be do sropa and chebia on God. Yeah.
Sure. On God.
Yeah.
Katakyie FM and yene KOJO RAE make us a Katakyie hit maker. Edin Komo. We are live on YouTube. Katakyie FM TV. Great. Katakyie FM TV. And ye was on YouTube. And to bet me I join in. Na yedi nkomo bebre wo hodum KOJO me no bedi nkomo ba me musa say I'm not safe.
Yeah.
Bani say na unya sa
I'm not safe there say answer uti enyum na nkasa na reti dey see.
Okay.
But there so one nkasa uti enyum na start abufu kiti wa bi e ba me so nti na uja me wako ha. Nti akwaye say woni oba relationship na woni obi relationship na bia kasa bia ba. Say na normal but uti mu so wafano ho adwen dada. Kona me chem say mase me feel say me say if I say mechiguo obi ya tamade na kobo no so menya na anhwa me mafia no so I need her back. Yeah, but I'm fat story need there long because girl now inspired that song no so right now cry no so me say obi attraction and nti because you corner society cry no ma bebre yeah but yes I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That is a unya
minya bibisa ba na manya bi dada
ta
nti na we ni shada anya me ya on say utie me first song Don't Need Your Love na me can say mo say ashime like ashime we no so I'm not safe in me chim say ashime but at that time no obi e dey catch me need dada so me hu ni say normal nti from that time till now no me see bibia from say anyway boy is a bass said be showed me right now me no will be in a relationship na wo twase me ko me nyi news mame wo kan no answer me to na me show any circles den ko for the I me no ka do ye no ka de but so I think my past experiences now they be me reflecting in my music. Yeah.
Okay. KOJO mame muza I'm not safe that particular music is there are some issues about on abeku sexy don't know. Yes, so seems as a we are on there day. And then the first time I know Asia on something like this, maybe I say o claim my listeners in the viewers in there. Is it true that you know more plans than we album now? Fetch it, and I say abeku na na nteno ho ase ya wa wonyo.
Oh, Sexy don't know there's one on Yanumu. Or a comedian or a content creator, a very good and a professional content creator. Oka music as a media or no the I don't think they Nkofona and agents I think so one say that video nase. It wasn't BBA na a year issue kasi bia mtiminim de BBA nse me amenyo me na me choy. Nti bia video no minim o share no hu ni say mesisi na na say o da binye bibisa ni see. It was just me na me choy menyum ana ono so say any de no promote so when you BBA bia meaning issue. So the Sexy the OMG. So our media, so I don't BBI issue be no and you media me am should be me am show me BBI so
and which man I say in that way no na Sexy was he helping for the promotion and I say comedy you cross so I be am beso be so me be send them material for them viewers nyina
video no actually na video need to
okay
but it be more first one on kwano mo who the other one
okay.
Yeah, that video was actually a prank.
Okay.
Until I started or kasana later on me bem, but first video no na minimum.
Okay.
Until we who other videos no.
Yes.
But in other ways on a boy. Because that was the first time maybe I did me. You probably almost said that was the first time I'm doing me. Later I realized it wasn't, and it was just a prank. I mean, it's a mummy, you know. Until we push part 2 now, we later come maybe I say oh boy and a whole lot. So problem being no car.
Okay. KOJO, is I think will be a journey here. I Katakyie 90.9 FM. So I just say
number 1.
I know there are people watching us from TikTok. Let them know Katakyiefm FM. Your TV, your YouTube. I'm follow you. I'm subscribe.
Okay.
Say there be ya. Debia. Yetrasia. Omubehu bibia. Ekosubia.
Yeah. T4 bia o show bia uti me bia Muhammad say KOJO na make say. Currently me work at KatakyieFM what I say. Esrema mon join my KatakyieFM TV on YouTube. You stream live. Mon shebi. Mon join it. Mon make sure say the bia ubiti ni what I say. Good music. Good programs near Mapanko no me the bebrem what you see me ginem live yes
KOJO ebi afi no bi dey na video na to person who say indeed KOJO rain and BIGSTAR ni dim ko me be say o ma me be 1 minute freestyle bi raw freestyle bi na me o dem ma me
to ana say
bi ma me freestyle bi
ya so wo nyum bi on be say meto and once anti
me person me listeners ni me viewers ni say yes indeed KOJO rain and I'm no why maybe I'm no I am the partner. Say we are not here. Over there, say yes, I'm not there. Yes, I'm not better.
Okay, I say. Subainti senyi say yem fancy asemi mpona ba enka ye kanifie waye nani mu fitanso na kumasi bidie afe yi wow Wa fidi I no go fi carry your matter go because I no be kaya you sankofa inchi and sumaye obidi I no go fi carry your matter go I said I no be kaya you sankofa inchi and sumaye obidi I inti na refi say hey me now friend me baby now name is Spliffy inti na refi say boy we ya now shani boss odo ye umini wa I was little when I heard love is fake. I told my friends and told myself I never go date. I remember my mama used to tell me every day, say Aquarana would you, boy, you just a kid. Gangsta be street boy where I come from. No love, you're from Rihanna sound, no love. But this girl told me she would die for me, she'd lie. What it say me passa ain't now refi said. Hey, me now friend me baby. Now name is Spliffy. Ain't now refi say boy we now shiny boss do you mean it? I don't need your love, your loving, your loving. No more now I'm a big boy, yeah, big boy, yeah, big boy.
Nice one, KOJO Ray, and no meba.
Now music.
Charlie boy say Sammy. Charlie boy say Sammy. Yet you could me because I'm a blessing. Missy Musunti Madani mo burden. Or so I cut me so bomb still shining. Like KOJO shot in a pump or done your monomy mu champion. To my posse in a me face Babylon. Every day me say some condom. Jadi crossing me flow no sheshes a tom. Yenye baku me no 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you don't fina mu fefe. Gen Z 4 near come tick. Talk a mama vim. Tell ya mo se mo you done. Mo you funny na me humo te se sexy don. Yenye minimum yenyepe, yemu yena na me ye, na so mu de enye de. John boys enyeche, then it starts capping, Me yemu kudita Gen Z JJ. Why na no kate mu me na usi. Me tiri mu ye de te second TK. Na kuranti mu Katakyie 90.9 FM. Anigyie Fie. Yo haji. Out in the baby. Vex your boy we. Let me see your boy we. Unjini yo haji. Now what's in the baby? Now mama na vex it.
Yes indeed. KOJO is a unjini ye na sa boy we ho haji. But answer na say the KOJO pie. Oko baby, oko ye show bi wani ji KOJO hu na se obetimi akobi ana je se wo apomden pa. Enti na de bia metena video so ya na me kan for community hospital de ma ho say apomden pa nyina fie. Anyone yade bi eto so bia no me come for community hospital e de amount sabi me se yesua yi jimi nko we free ho no for community hospital de yade bia yetu ase se ye ni yade num kankan yade sen yade ananse be ma wabo da bridge mi nua ba won soso no ahimfi ho no nye ohene ba ontimi nenden no ho we de no na nua bia gugu ani ukasaka kra bi na omini sia afro community hospital ho adanse ana metimi adidi achew antenatal clinic here Juma Mondays to Fridays, eye clinic here Juma Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, dental clinic here Juma Wednesdays and Saturdays, and fertility and gynecologist specialist clinic here Juma every Tuesday, ear nose skin and throat specialist clinic here Juma 24/7. Debia ni debia ejinemu national health insurance, premium health insurance, Acacia health insurance, ejina na nanso pampe afari community hospital yene ani nkura farm se ne din hwani mu ewo encarrier afari quantum point so friend was 0240 1765 0240 1765 02 na wone afari community hospital and twetwe enkomo KOJO mama nzamu akwa ba biem
yeje openyin
great mama musa we say ura music ni mu no as a young guy said you can we shall say emfa timi de track ni bi ba kumienu na ba ku bia ba be wuram. Was it a time unya abambu bi say chale is the emfa antino I mean baby for front I mean for me nchirana.
I think the kind of person I'm here need the abambu the lasting because time be I show me team say a day am dey see menu say me no menya ka say master ten dey me wie
okay
so me nimbi bit is abambu music obetima drop it. They be make say good music.
Yes.
It's me a floppy.
Yes.
Bad music. It's me hate it. Obetima drop it. Obetima drop a bad song. Ebefa. Obetima drop a bad song. Ebeka. Obetima drop a good song. Obetima for better. It's just about time, and sometimes you might drop a good music at the wrong time.
Okay.
Which I feel like, and you're gonna say, "Be I'm a drop you way na reception," and I say, "It's time me say, and yes, I'm a cry." And I feel like maybe it wasn't the time. Maybe it will get to a time people will come back to it. So I'm drop it for, and that's what I do. And one boy me inform me into so I believe in say me be dropping your ma me wujidi o me say nyum we be but I'm consider me pen I'm just dropping because I be brave sometimes cause I feel like me album but yeah so album boot it's not my thing and each and every day bibi am drop be the numbers you know even say I'm consider me pen at least that number now benya because oh yeah at least people are listening in there benya so I feel like and that's why I love my fans Charlie shouts to them almost say
could you dey motivate you our music fraternity nim
okay they motivate me sin obi am looking up to no and I say
like genuinely as music you know yeah in fact said by now ebia you have your dream. You say somebody be a music in the Mayan come through stage. We say come pepa, but yes, still no. Maybe your own dream, but you are still pushing. Then they motivate you.
I would say the people around me and my family.
Okay.
Yeah, the time I say my family, and say I feel like aside say music and your passion, I'm a person, you know. Yeah. It's also a business. So if I keep doing it, it will keep on paying me. And many baby so they are my fee, many baby they are sorty boys, many baby so they are what I say. That's one of the things that motivate him, and I love music.
Okay.
Yeah. Mean sorry day without saying mean to yeah, so I just love music. I feel like me jai music that there will never be a time, I don't think so. Me name the future and the whole but cemetery currently, I don't think so there will be there me jai music or I feel like me cool it down. Now I need music each and every day and see the love for music and it keeping me going. Yeah.
Okay. KOJO mirasi utifie na utie ya obetimi de text message aba ubia wani ji KOJO ho ye obi bia opese ubisa no 0594212823 0594212823 KOJO me ba this new thing ya Ghana there for now and then I top edabia I'm talking about Katakyie. I can see is say they all kinds your family and the people around you, they are all supporting. But Mr. Ampra is Mr. Voice.
Yeah, Mr. Voice. Last Euro, Nidine Dawson.
Yes, last Euro.
Yeah.
The way was he promoting Katakyie. I want to know what's the relationship between Mumi, you know, what time, what bonus you get to be and I say, or Donangazan.
Okay, last year I friend Mr. Ampra, I friend Mr. Voice. On Jimmy one CD Corada.
Wow.
Yeah. And open more promote Katakyie pa last year, Mr. Ampra account.
Okay.
Cause sometimes me on framing pool. When you be a frame, I mean didn't come on. Yeah, friends, but you need come on like frequently.
Okay.
But me I'm want say what tag me? Ibu call ya on tag me and once a comment for na target and me call Ibu 1,900,000 or so no like or vibe with it. Last year dear nyame be shana pa cause onyu bi kora make say oye me day one and I say me were people around them so promoting me pa people like Obiaima, Sexy Don Don.
Yeah.
Me cause me body no be a major bill.
Yes.
A lot of people are promoting me, but one person I'm who say Charlie utimi post video make my video no more like 5 minutes make my channel non stop. I feel like wow, genuine love for me and genuine love for the song and
yes.
Shout to him last year when I meet up Mr. Voice no one can say. Yeah.
KOJO video wa mi hu ya ma Anigyie na me di busa o sa asemi obi bi o tie bi a betimi aba YouTube katakyiefm TV na de wa ba be video no wo ho no mo krachi we ankasa no o de me ba na me tie we nhwa de
Katakyie why am I missing me fall so a fair day. Katakyie why am I imagine say Nanga missing me fall so a fair day. Watching my tower when you see my boy say coming was him. Yes, see me Jimmy,
yes, me Jimmy Bamenche Santo. Who is Giamanisia Neto? How much ya and me no one echo. Last I send you me no one echo. Mamiti, KOJO de Guinisio.
Katakyie. Why am I imagine say? Nanga me fall so a fair day.
Meba na ya bidi nko bi wa hanu say.
Katakyie. Why am I imagine say? Freak who made Nanga me fall. So a fair day.
Baby, I D. Obiatie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
She a fine baby. Some me shining in my, now me come team side, and me penny. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come papa nice, so be a new deal with him. What she. Cause you me sober. Babylon, do. Because you me sober. I get this, say that why I'm a man, I say. Naga me say me falling, so I be a day. Already my tower, and yes, I'm a boy, say, come here, was them. Yes, imagine me, and you, I can taste you. Say that why I'm a man, I say. Naga me say me falling, so I feel a day. Already my tower, and yes, I'm a boy, say, come here, was them. Yes, imagine me, yes, my yes, forget the son, I'm a book you tickets, and I'm over, holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me go, myself, for to name some of the warrior, see come petty and I'm a tasho. I say for me go, myself, not for to name some of the warrior, see come petty and I'm a tasho. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come papa nice, so be anybody winning. Watchy. Yeah, cause you watch your mommy sober. It's Babylon, go. Because you watch your mommy sober. I can taste, yeah. Say that I am a man, say, I'm a man falling, so I feel a day. I bet you my time when you see my boy say, come here, was them. It's imagine me, and you, I can taste you. Say that I am a man, say, I'm falling, so I feel a day.
KOJO,
Baba.
after I'm not safe. Ya ba be dura kitesi. I say one aba be jo boso a. Boys you can home say me.
Or one side.
One side.
One side. Yeah, also one side. And how Jindi?
Yamini Abuafu.
Oh, I say that's woman at
KOJO mami musa aketesi aba ye koye nim so ho. Remember say music, you know, as to this far. Are you doing it just for fun or for the boys? And I say the music is paying.
Okay. Music angasa de sikawum.
Okay.
Sikawum music mo but style be see to tone your ma and ebe mo nya says kano. Yeah. Most up and coming artists like me, omo they fear to invest. I mean, say we are investing in the crafts now. You know, bo corner, okofa online beats no yeah.
Yes.
Online beats no just because we are band will be a bit more downloading. But you have to pay a good producer. And the producer will be good.
Okay.
So the fact say utiminya bibi third and utiminya yoma sort amadia for guess now then now but me when get a good producer. One song can change your life. So I didn't say I won't believe in the craft. So say me janaya say you have to invest. It means say minya bibi.
Okay.
Intina maker. Yeah, because music can make can help me reach this level. Me can't say my job baby I'm a talker be an yeah, but right now me all I do is music. So I thought I maybe someone say so I feel like I'm not an A-list artist like the people I look up to.
Yes.
But I'm making something for myself, me baby sort of family. So what if say me many na me yeah? If I keep on doing this and I reach that level, I mean, maybe I be fat. So right now the nyame the last time I'm catching my boys, and it's not like I don't mean any disrespect.
Yes.
But me for Trotsky a 2 years. Me can't say for Trotsky bad, but I'm just trying to cite an example. Say right now I'm in Tomika, today be a Uber boots and Maybe do baby so make us say it's me for Uber Karachi. And also they say my truck is 7 no. Maybe do baby so make us hey me far from Machu. Next say me nam soronko so that's how life is into. Right now, me woman I really appreciate. Yeah, cause minya me son me be kakra bi ade be 10 in there about here. Deals are coming, shows and endorsements and a whole lot. Yeah, so I'm Adam. Yeah.
KOJO, as you are saying, is for now, no, se fa tro ne ade. Meaning say aketesiano the new mabo.
Oh, sir, over Trotsky, it doesn't mean that you go no scabo for Trotsky saying the Libya. But I mean it in a way, say,
yeah.
Obi anywhere always say the Bia or Befa Trotsky. I tell say, Obi always say, eh, Minyana come so much media. So, and Aketesia Yinisao, I do 1 month's pay.
Yeah.
1 month's pay. So imagine 1 month's pay no cry now. Look at the waves I make, baby, I prefer be a social media, baby, and I'm still promoting it. Yeah, so we are hoping that by maybe ending of this year or maybe some months to come, you go to a different level and yeah. So
KOJO, me call YouTuber a champion Isaac was a good job. More fire, Yamisha,
more fire. I'm joining my Katakyiefm TV. Yes. Of course, with YouTube. Yeah, man. More fire.
KOJO, you know fire.
Oh, Namia say, yeah.
KOJO, you ever try to come on so bad? Mammy, Misa said, fans, no, baby, a bizarre for reference near there. Are you willing to do reference on Architecture?
Okay, refix. I say refix and remix.
Okay. Okay. Me call it say remix and answer refix. Remix. Okay. Remix. Yeah.
We are planning on BIGSTAR and also right now I open verse challenge.
Okay.
Guys baby killing.
Okay.
Yeah, me who guy be Adomba UBJ. Wakile pa guy be to say wishing. Yeah, wishing or sell. You probably make us me buy a car me jabi.
Okay.
Yeah, so remix no possible. Sana mitimaka possible. Yeah. Because maybe I'm coming when my plan is I want to put this artist on. Later, Caribbean, another artist be so better say one so hopping on or something.
Yes.
Yeah. That's why I'm trying my best to promote it. You promoting it, do baby, we say we have to do a remix. But I'm hoping say bank a bad guy because Sana be bring I account social media. Yeah.
Yes. As you are hoping say bad guy, are you ready to consider the upcoming artists?
Of course.
Look up to some of the top artists.
Yeah, right now say the make an upcoming artists be killing them.
Okay.
Yeah, so but you make us all form sure. And definitely a numbers game. You need someone bigger than you on it.
Yes.
But and also in say would be so maybe upcoming and I say few numbers and we're killing a bit me you and this but they should no try my best to stand out. Because once a bit me ye be not attach you to the extent say, but sometimes we bit maybe attach you, but maybe for a remix it wouldn't really help because remix is supposed to take the song to another level. Yeah, because as people might be disappointed. They say, oh, original near pay I didn't know so open version. And then I said me church was I'll be to my killing and more reaction and people be using sound or no more. We might put you on. Okay. So imagine say we be open verse and also the verse at so na if I be 5,000 to 10,000 you should sound now. Why not? I say we can put the person on. So open verse challenge and also so yeah, I'm joining and sell.
Okay. KOJO you better one come on so meba junasimi humame working alone and featuring I am not difference in it the same me meba
Sure, baby. Let me go on in me body counts. Before say me sure, baby. Me see a fine baby. Say me shining in ma. Now me come me team side, you and me penny. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come me papa nice, so you know the way name. Wechi. Cause you chima me soga. Babylon do. Cause you chima me soga. I can taste it. Say now I am a man in a sign. Naga me say me falling, so we are dying.
BIGSTAR Katakyie 90.9 FM Anigyie Fie.
I can taste it. Say now I am a man in a sign. Naga me say me falling, so we are dying. I'm at my tower when you see my bicycle coming once them. You see me in me, oh, them you. Yes, my yes, my shit. Forget the casa, barbecue ticket, and the visa.
Yes, indeed. Katakyie 90.9 FM. And 3 minutes past now the hour 5. On Anigyie Fie drive show present answer for. And then Yeni KOJO acidic KOJO. And I didn't come out of here say on Anigyie Fie drive show. So, minimum years a while with you would say as Antima Ghana, my titru achuma mind. Anigyie Fie, if you say Yediemua, let's support our owner. There is a KOJO, in fact, what the achuma din equally pa. Aketesia, and you mean, my for your guest, if you should be big guest. Depending on what I say, and here is a crowd, one international one, just what the young guest, DJ Toski. KOJO Toski Jinawe. Guessy, your co program Bia, so what drop it now. What ma you know, qua versus no say Lewis no quano John, no say, or the free guest and on. I just want the free guest and we are live on YouTube. I am Katakyie FM TV on YouTube. We let me join here and I just say I didn't come up. Now baby I come but today is Wednesday. On Anigyie Fie drive show so the yenuya bra ye ba ye wo fast ye de nyina KOJO atwuma ye de mu a ye ne na edin komo ye nka no ho ate ye mu a ye instrument na nwom no nya sika wuba no ne bo de ne lofty to say lofty yes sa na ofre na wo mfa when so always what to kwen me friend na ye kwen me friend na ye kwen ehu
guess and it's no
guess and it's
no Solomon of our time to guess no Hannes and I was over the tour so that we are offer na akate it's when you see us girlfriend pass offer beba love to me kwa me friend na minya no
serious for no
or more
okay
actually those the way you know jengo one was the mouth and see
hey
I general so
and obi tia vichire na yes and people no so za no
o men say no cross on what to community go adia to afa baba
yes aha boys no mo de aketezia no je go forget ne ba ko na wuram no international manager
hey godfather
aha eja won ho pa ska won ho pa
enso me kwa me kakra
o kwa abajo kakra so achi kra KOJO bibi ave fine KOJO na bi so asem doing music, you know, as someone and say who feature will be feature like collaboration, no, and the differences in it to say.
Okay, differences as in
say Katakyie say is a one now yeah. And as to say we are love to say artists and on a feature I hear you mana ayana it is because my friend Chemu, I use that new tune be eba Enoba. Yes, with one Kwame great. Bibisa, nipa mi ensa. Mo come trouble my music. And he said nipa ba kwa ye music, you know. I had a difference in that to say.
Okay, I say music, you know. I can say right now, industry no collaborations in shutdown courses is a first because best when was a better time I Jesus no. And as a bear around 2017 time, I could feel Mole, Kusiata, Twitch, Kwame MP, Kelvin Boy, Family, Bonnie Muchicho, Mutina, or more collaborations, and also Nabwa. because my time be as a uti winka who feel you be a vibe and I dey more collaboration yet then more time say munye na mo connect na be mo vibe in the far more like JB ni papi KOJO say na mo chemistry ne fa pa artist bi te say Kosiata ni Kofi Mole mo share eboa bebre na ema wunya different vibes what I say I say we could see album na e be what KOJO album na KOJO so I say you keep hearing the same thing and any pan so they are there back for because intimi ndi banko no pa banko area banko you so sometimes collaboration is very very important but as an artist if you listen also to me drop a single say because it shows how powerful you are.
Okay.
Yeah, so by no chance say you shouldn't collaboration kwema game no mu yede. Okay. And be quite other people because I say a numbers game. We to make sure we be our numbers now. And then I collabo then boom. So boy, yeah.
KOJO maybe so uti nyum bi wa na me bi so asem bi e wo ho.
Okay, sure.
Black and dark.
Turn up all of my.
They ma come any na pano, kame ya wano. Chile me say o kame ho e hai ni sumu. Da kwento inda for say a fono no. But jama si kweme ne mi tini si o them. I really love them. I gave you everything, girl. Come home when you na me na me pede ma odasa when you want to tea am na to me too. Na me fra o best that you were different from the rest. They ma come any na mano, kame ya wano. Chile me say o kame ho e hai ni sumu. Da kwento inda for say a fono no. But jama si kweme ne mi tini si o them. Ma come any na mano, kame ya wano. Chile me say o kame ho e hai ni sumu. Da kwento inda for say a fono no. But jama si kweme ne mi tini si o them.
It was just a fight.
Baby, I Katakyie 90.9 FM. Anigyie Fie.
Wabasu when you hypo, Timenya the size bro. Naname. It's you we are sure say be okay. So I gonna to and this grass and break. Now Jania mama you lonely. Jima kumeni na mano wan kame ya wano. Chame so kame ho I need sumu ada kwancho yana for say a phone no. Pajama si kwanso. Odo ye wana u break.
Yes indeed was it makuma no KOJO upodo onyumpa upodo pa on upodo pa
me pay say odo di ntwam da na me boa.
Okay.
Yeah, so o say odo bi o have bi ado na me boa.
Nya ado se go go Anya ado se go go makodo.
Odo you mu times be brave. And one thing about me is say I just tell me I'm spread the love. I feel like we are saying you say we are here to spread love, just show love who be to any man on any vibe on. And my time any panel or cry Anigyie because you might not know what the bit may see the next moment or something. So we just spread love, yeah. But me and your love songs on Kwana me dropping me other songs or like 1 in a Billion feature Baba Tunde about hustle, trap more a song with J Bad and Strong Man. So I cut for any deal or mini Kwesi Amewuga release beginning of this month this year you release Olija. Yeah, no so for the streets and all that. But I feel like we release love songs and people really love that. So and music and all. Maybe I said make an I business now. I must we no mupe kokonte. So ya na kono fried rice among e be yoka. Okay. So but also in say woman ya the fra ba the love vibe in the be mom.
Great. We are live on Katakyie FM TV on YouTube. Katakyie FM TV on YouTube. Samsung and Facebook. Katakyie FM TV. Join in live. Yes, and yeah, ne KOJO RAE ana edin komo acidic KOJO RAE the Katakyie man. The I'm not saved man. Me angaza me say I'm not saved because the pain about the 3% there. You sorry ya wokopa me edi me fufu. And then so enye regular mama. Internet se fufu no. Yenya ni bana nyame adom on Saturday yenyina ye ko enebehi daddy lumba candle night ye ko to aso sanso na Gateway Gardens and Eating Place and so say bra ye medidi ye mesan kwan ye mebodo mpem na che se bibia nkoso kama pam fama aduane bia opebia no ubenya bia di e wo honom won so say Saturday that the lumba 1 week no ye de be hye so wo ntini Saturday ya atwuma ba bia wu enya fadi agro kra MC be smart flow e was a sansana DJ Toski was a DJ Medical and so e was a dress code no e black yɛmfa hyehyɛ so na bibia anya fan dwumade bia wodi bia sɛ wopɛ aduane sɛ ma afrɛ o 0557 632533 0557 632533 and 0596 49 1118 0596 49 1118 now the Gateway Gardens and Eating Place and church and Lismatic shop your body no ebe toso and my friend body no ebe toso your body no redianani ebeto so na yehwamwa a Lismatic shop ebuakwa yene police station dada no ana edi enhwe animu body lotion enkra ne mpanimfo nyina perfume deodorant ne roll on anybody splash ne nyina a Lismatic shop 0208161032 0208161032 na wona Lismatic shop entwetwe enkomo yebesi fie yebebi adwuma yebehia blocks yebehia anwea Charles Time Company emem yene so me junction na di nhwani mem kro na so yene Star Oil filling station edi nhwani mu atwuma na ebehi ye wo kire ya se kwa no so 051 0541 033659 0541 033659 na on Charles Time Company entwetwe enkomo kojo ma me nsa mo akwa ba biem yes bibia se a aya na ye wonamfo bi ne people around us I know mudi dwumani nyina I know say o share music na se no with friend of Sexy Mo Kobe I Mine Mo Ray Mo you guys were so cool and Mr. Ni yes
okay
yes and Mr. Ni suna mene KOJO ebenya ayonkufa besi ne ya I say enyoma peke yes apeke kwame na to bro for was ya jerry dada enyoma ji relationship no that sort of thing cuz it looks as said the first and now music collaborating is say enkosa bi
okay I think we are saying nipa ye grow
yes
yeah so and it's not like say boys in intermatity there be the more na wunyini no new plans new people bibia sesa
okay
and I be munti answer because some people feel like you know a media over and say on team can framing a whole lot maybe first na wunimi no the people around that maybe or moye on your be a business or something they were like 3 to 4 but right now on level na be any panel do no
okay
it's meeting other people so schedules baby on your baby also yes but I don't just we trouble definitely mushi amudi nkomo mo have fun but yet is a first no
yes
so I'm accept because there are a lot of people I mean almost start here right now they are bigger and richer than me or my can see who sky BBS me
okay
but me fan to meet him is oya media nti ade nti na nansi said na many ne first and there be anti sada the more na ye nyini no yoma bebe sesa biti me kopie and the boys ni biti patase biti tanos biti patase e bi kwa wakra
sure
iba because ejuma na ne de ne nam mre no so yin na ebe link ya pie nyina hustle na ne namu no but I don't think say bibia or sa yin na say boys and tora mu shie twa skate na de ba anye de bia na say tora kwa we was set for so we so so relationship that so
KOJO working with strong man mo kusia mabuga mo ohwe o star no ene wo so star na adwuma no na net say na yedin
I can say because me obi na me rapper so dey so be my beats be my kiti be my down so be be so me transition ba singing and raga vibe no me aboa me bebre tema me so identity as an artist do what star but not just say you should always be with one beat and as one style beat my you be feel like anyway there minya bia kwekodalent was so anke minya YP was so sana yet so sometimes maybe me na kwame na ti dey say you rest studio one vibe and buy near but ibu ati me anyom am go garden me we na me send you know talent no YP there no so the same thing me we has me feel say me talent also and so enya dey bia because the Bruce bia I mean talent no you just have to keep on learn and practice
Ghana how you way do you have any artists that will look up to you say I have my own style but baby amikoi se mitime rich baby ani pay do na se mitime hit target said e be a shatawale duru said e KOJO cancer dura I will be okay. Do you have any artists that will look up to like that?
Okay, music na me you know maybe I meet you but one thing one person I'm looking up to or inspire me me music like me Anigyie music on pie kwesiata but now we say the level I want to reach so when you are looking up to someone you either pray to be like the person or more than the person be anyhow be dreaming so be lesser than maybe an idol maybe more like no and I say bigger than that so I just want to be remembered whether I'm still alive or I'm gone. Okay. So me my young bebre now on why you so you need about some renaissance sebi yenti KOJO in kabima. I just want people to remember what I came to do. I always do music I be inspiring for them to remember you and remember when someone say bit makai or bane did morning I just want to leave a good name. So I'm person me.
KOJO because mommy ni popi atwuma are you planning say I'm an artist say my superstar atwuma whether homecoming whether atwuma concert or something are you planning something like that
homecoming homecoming na planning this year but say momone odogu for na momona go through streets no wa anti but for no yekeka ya adwibo na possible you bit my plan baby nice also your event places be brave yes you bit my baby massive na machuma yinyina ya ba ni aba be have fun around maybe a Christmas you go so I plan o dey abetu me there me try to na e dey aka plans no na ya hwe na ya bibi afan yes
KOJO what idea on kosa me say wadofo listeners lovers ene atwumafo ebitimi no edi enkomo tipen abrati ya woto nchen opawasem ye pa yes abrati woto nchen
the first TikTok probably since na DJ access ni bi on that was 26 July but the occasion at
zao
masano ya me depa didi na mtese senior my brother ne be shesunsu na ngasa dia eze papa no na me yo kese
and so ya da oba adwuma ntempa
the superstar bara out na bi start to start be boom that you suma ngasa atuma ina nya suma kese the best and said ranman kwatenti na nya sane adomo no moro so said ye ya modin ye papa kasem dey be pa no kumuru DJ nyina no I think say don't to for na sata yinu mafapa but see nipa ba gini din keke ya be pray nche ya de bi obaji din power tina be no ya mfa din bone yanka no anko kwekwe ne ba bitire wo papa kwasem pa ni so ba no ye within one way to be kai will be near the bone ne kai no that's no can I am the pa nti erade hira no then I dream pa oh ho na se wutie ya eju ya majehwu e dan ko be ja no hako mo ba fu krai kiki panya ya konfo ba obotumbutum ene no waja no ha ni ba dan no de beko enti eja di power ha
okay
abra mo no mo ai e KOJO nyame sha
amen
asna se rade man kwatenti ni papa mo nimu suma no wo nimu te se suma de ko atuma nyina ho nyina ta na ti yesu ta na ti gidi pa you better tata baby.
You better
platform ni never tata. You push the award ye. And the person who fear ye.
Yes.
Me catch the few for say radio kwade. Omo moano. Omo from grass 7 o'clock. Young boy piano omo nia kukuku pena kana to atwene. You will track at the pillar e be falso. Okay. As you say bambona e kese suma no kostro. Because you go KOJO be fly.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. 0594212823 0594212823 0594212823 KOJO RAE wa hanu mi sei frɛ na yɛni nkɔmmɔ ɛdɛn na apɛ sɛ wobisa no akɛtɛsie yɛba de agye nkɔfoɔ guest ɛso de agye bi guest bi so de agye deɛ Kevin Gina will say, "Yachene dear, Toski, Debia, or Jenko dear." What's he saying? 0594212823 0594212823. KOJO, Obi say, Moba Fufra, Bibia, you cool. A fay hit and about Bakuminu, a fresh crab on fat. If we are more busy, a testimony reply. I don't know. I am there. You are busy, and I say, a gaga, and I said,
I know what the main example, and I said, because my confused
like artist. So
like blue, very
blue. Now I love to say, is a farmer. I
love to say now. I almost no credit. No credit. I have my soap. Okay. Hey, they say they're on Chimami with you. Share. Lofty. Did you only dear you know that be suing him?
Cold.
Maybe young words, my bat and your share. Yes. So you do go and put me on that. I know to cook my man on that. But I feel like, sir, you know, more canon. Me, I say, Nippon hold you man away. Yeah. Abia Nippon time or hitting up, Caribbean. That maybe over 1,000 followers and I say 2,000. But right now, the DMs might be ko check page very fresh. Be a account. Say just say nipa be demand be near bansi. Say unko yes be open and when you be obeying a bad thing. Because me kwa minimum conform me try say me reach your mom me nyomu. But me tia jumana sinti nya fe na me ba be yem say you know be ana me no is there and say what tia jumana si do level be a say a normal cra say me first na me nya be say na e bia me send me nyoma obi a wo so send me ana say now as onye ma me ana say me to ana we say we mafia o emre no so na me do so na me mafia me all season but me do one am say Tally, and the fault, because pressure no doors. See, all tries are reaching on, who's be so person reaching on. Yes, and young corner person reaching into. I think say, who pass it through the right channel. Yeah, what I say, because it be a time, one only dear grow, it be a Jesus and you be a crown of pearls, see, I'll be now so bedding, because it's what this car. I just got. Oh, yeah, she said, you say, oh, room kakra. Sanity, and your life, and you see the panic. By your uncle football, be a boy in the suit. There are some people who are, but me, dear, I don't think so. Me, dear, me more love for Obia, me, Obia, this fame thing, me, when is a gift. I mean, the amount because of the Jeff, so you have to the into the amount. I mean, you be a bet you say you are using it the right way. So, me you because me na me with him say people know me. Who share me pay me? Who me share me team say me say into me any party so be so. I feel like sometimes we go any soup. But there are some people are. As we share now, the responsibilities and the bed also. Yeah, you do baby crown. Obi on your family cover or baba than no responsibility. I was so you know, maybe man. It's a pressure on one thing. Any panels went to me in Casa. Was I mean, a bit more just no, why, boy, much be to beat me through. Fancy, oh, to me, hello. What could you rainy? Miss oh, boy, I walk for a minimum, I say. Oh, when you be a wab trying to be another 2 hours, why didn't you know frame? Oh, my name is Gabby Quara, how now, Missing more number, some boy, and in Bezenka 2 new song on that. Oh, when you fancy Nibia, to when you would say, Albacas in Bia Bay, you be any panels or Pawasam or Pawasam to know, yes, I be out not the right time, no, yes, until the answer because yeah, dear Sam, I mean, Daka crying to the watching young near Okatini and the way in the back woman and your life. And I still didn't see. A German, yes, I was able to see us on your money and I said, the bear will be in Cassabia, what you see now.
Could you almost say, why a fruit show cry? Yin young. I want answer lofty near, sir.
Me boy, the nothing.
They say you almost say price no cost.
Oh, no lie, Ada. So don't money be ada.
Say be a media, what the enemy tino. If you are Ukono locals, so
maybe I own no jollof rama see a bum crammet my baba bama. And should I knew Musa, oh, yeah, at least. Those are Jumanum, yeah, Baby entertaining fans, no, so where they was a BB flew by any BB, be a said Okana, the Otsen and the be any pana the zeros, but the zeros in Biak account, and the Otsena, sanity. And I in a cast a lot, on the chatters my own.
Oh, chatters my
share. Oh, a bit chatty, only a corner with Janan. Oh, no, I call you, I criminal to be the black, yeah. Oh, zero. David, so Sarah over family. The pure this year. Yes. On chain.
Martin. Could you going forward, you know, there were 4 months that I named to Christmas. Other songs one of my the Bible tune and I say trying to see 2026. Okay,
and you mean the brio, and say na make us a drop in fast 1 month, any few weeks, and I'm better so. You be releasing more songs. Also, now we say better remix and as so you go so a young wagement in case ever baswa that will be the next project. But some baswa a better drop BB and say Xmas and our features and also cause so many black and old Makoma the old boy currently now and you see a new song out on all platforms. Many Kwame out to 31st. Inuba so features in Baba ever drop BB for December. Yeah.
Sanyumo where from that Inuba?
Inuba is a common out to and watching a bit. When I did that time in the bar, I say Inuba Obana Mamati Odas Inubana is a mama folly. So yeah, Okasa about or baby Okusiano. Yeah. I'm somebody me verse too, so a very nice song, classic song. We ever dropping on the 31st. So yeah, I'm gonna watch out.
Could you enter Yebeko? I'm checking lines in a mama water course and I burnt to me. Ghana.
Okay.
Oh, artists be out. Yana giddy pass a sunny poet, me Yana Chinam and a baby.
Only see be, sir. Me pay. Tasa Quadio Stoneboy Manifest Kim Promise Kidi Kwame Eugene Kofi Kenata Family Kim Paluta Sister Fia Samini Daddy Kabaka Daddy Lumba. I'm gonna see. Yeah. Minyo Bia, listen to everyone because the fact say you are doing good music and people are listening to you means a BB home so Mitio Bia, but and you be Saketasia de Minya Family na Kim Paluta na Kofi Kenata. Okay. Anybody pa Sanko for me and Sawi pa de Kenata Family Kim Paluta. Come anybody who
Wapuchi.
Oh, me go so me di hujuma but and so just maintenance or bia mama nyahwe na do minya me peba me so me go so me promote yes akwasanki ma akwa bia Asian din koma na bibisa but e promotion so ebia me sure say by now the automatic cause mama me nko for na target omo atata omo about yeah nya mommy anya na tare so kra ka meji.
There's a music now that do baby I was all tata obi nyeza.
Oh yeah. So also we need be attention. ɛnyɛ me nko na mepɛ ɔmo verse nipa bebree na ɛpɛ nti obi te ba bia sɛ nti ɔmo pa sɛ ɔmo nti KOJO enwumi ɔmo nyɛ verse ma na ɔmo nyɛ se ba ɛnyɛ easy yɛwɔ other people ɔmo so yɛ good music ɔmo so pɛ ɔmo nti so ɔsɔ wo deɛ no inki kom nti enwum ɔmo de atata me ma menhwɛ nwum korɔ na bia ɔkɔtie wow oh nice song wa contact wo na ayɛ fɛ ti yɛbɔ mpaeɛ ɛba so ɔma ni bɛgye paa
KOJO asa wabo Daddy Lumba din die asa wo artist na a legend say o te say wawu no. How did you take it?
Oh me anje sa cause or a legend or you be a misa Daddy Lumba you be a unti any nyom crowd beti so the make an one upa menchi ye bonnet as a 12 bit matter so obi a every musician in you looking up to, and it's quite unfortunate say we see but yankopon so ne nim de ntia to ne safre no nyame fa ne kan say on chiche in you but it's here into me and feel like the medical kind the legacy is still alive do but ni din and that's what I say and then in the Daddy Lumba be him say yes man no Bob Brancas will be ye be my Ghana music industry even or inspire your generation from ye nananum to ye nananum nana ye offer send to like Ubia and Oyubia me boni dimbi I feel like hey to me yes papa we are come any better pie and I pray say nyame mboa me na menju honum akwan na wa but yeah you be ju yes
KOJO the entire Emma maybe so say as you were saying is Kimpaluta and family Kufikinata right okay kunyomo Remison akumana anka ebe
Katisia
dia yet say u baseya ayana ope collaboration and I say featuring our top artists in the Biwa Obreba because even there are some people out there Mangasa Club who say oh Obada Ben Yonuka the followers here saying Infino I say that our tiny and my young kitty a music industry what be Roma is what be you know in the case when you kunya swatana one whom be
okay, me personally, dear, me be sad dear. Okay. It's a big artist, and me parts in dear. Maybe I me I will just play my part. See, be a maybe collaboration. Nipa na say be a maybe a all contacting nipa no unya no and answer more reply or something. And you can say we feel bad. Yeah, who could dream with him say be a nipa no cry be a one underestimate one answer wa fa cry be there be a ono be anya sana nipa na dream until later be mo fa nipa no be nyati mo come and baby cry anya sana o dream yeah so what try when ya or try the options when ya or the koswa na ye wodi no if you believe say you are doing a good one and a good job the koswa na amreno so na say nyameka say yeah wo time ni cause untimi fiti prekope de bia meka adwuma we say 10 ne yakwa untimi free 0 nko 7 obesa ba be ye 1 untimi free 1 nko 7 obeba be 2 3 4 5 6 inti sanyame ya adom na say wo ye bibia kakra na you are not getting I mean the A-list artists and as a big anyum to phone on your song how they just keep on because almost they were once like us yeah, Family was once like me, Sako was once like me, Jay-Z was once like me, Omunya no motisame, I know mutimi me omania and almost do sa level. So I just said me so me yeah. It's possible until inspiration kwa mami. So yeah.
KOJO me da say me ba na me do aba be but my listeners em feel bibi kakra e wo ahanu sei. My mama didn't say, freak, who made you like a man for it? Swap your name. Say it.
Baby, I D. Obiatie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
Let me go in my body count before some show, baby. She a fine baby. So me shine in ma, na me come team side, na me penny. My royal lady, baby. Ya me come baba nice, so be anybody with me. Wechi. Osi ochima mi sova. Babylon, because you ochima mi sova. I get this, say now I am a madina say. I got me some falling, far behind.
Baby, I Obiatie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
Yes, indeed, I get this as I said. Why am I margin I say? None come is some falling and so soon. You might DJ Toski, which now walking in no. I was watching that video COVID as I was telling you, my girl, no, DJ Toski, your guest friend, favorite DJ. Oh boy, you know what guys will program us. Toski would not have fun while for us. I have for body all the man. Why you original? KOJO I did come on 0594212823 0594212823. We are supporting our own. So what I said, no quada. We got to say Kuala. Bosoming watching that toss what you know, so what film premium in the Dune so the 27th day of August 2025. If you drive your class and Safuni, what is off with the and camp. And that day, I KOJO and I didn't come on. I didn't come on, baby. Wow, once so I feel now, and your marketing to be a man, a bamboo bar. DJ Toski, or Bonumana, Nemfa, who program as Okobu and a manager of. Now, should there be no complaint, and said Toski, I would tell you about fine. And they were G, or Bosho, no man 2005. Oh, my. I know Toski go Bosho, Bizo, Bitu, and Kate, and the city of Family, and Godfather. I think I will power, but what I'm saying. We will from show where there's a woman eating a city. I may a credit, and I'm saying, maybe Namu Papa Kramiju, Majini Chimney. Now, I cry to talk a cracker. Was a winning. DJ Toski, and is a party maker. I am the party maker. Me number my partner, the old Bible community. 0594212823 0594212823. And I KOJO I say yes, she fine girl be a kwambia so na me si for ma. Me she fine girl because I ne KOJO abam show so there Jack. I be superstar. So me be di din ho. Toski ni Kevin mu di mi din ho enti ne me zumi go di KOJO din ho. Love to the honor as I didn't know did one with that. And you know, me be a on one as I didn't have the order that. Katakyie 90.9 FM, 39 minutes past now the hour 5. 0594212823 0594212823. Kevin mun check lines and mama watina in shadi no me say. KOJO
Baba.
KOJO me un video bi me jawa mo akọ me nim say o time no sha ma twon ko boye bosumi ni ne menya wo
Menya hwe.
Me un video bi ana amauga kwesi amauga ase one Mr Voice muni team be great na omo promote song me pa one amauga relationship in it is just a music you and I say you have that strong vibe.
Okay, me name the I think music relationship. Me name said any personal relationship.
Okay, KOJO me so call abi aba hon. Mami eni ni nkomo. Hello. Good evening. What am I doing with you Akasafi?
Good evening.
Great. Udini baby Akasafi.
Yes, I'm Alex.
Kevin, monya di mami wa. Dabi meba jina suma me meba. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Great. Marinti odini baby Akasafi.
Yes, I'm Alex Carey, me Kasofi Accra.
Nice one. Accra, not just OFIE life.
Yes.
More fire. Super, Mammy too.
Yeah, me, KOJO na mention na me chia no na. Ma ka tell say the way to no one no more than na ombre na ho ase.
Okay.
Na industry me so ni say emodi.
Yes.
You know, money ndi ni ma bia nkrofo ba kan chi. Na o mhwe na ni mu no nye de oye.
Great.
Na on fa obu nso na nche.
Yes.
On respect you bia ba bi obedu no money odu ba bia na me pega no na money nya no ho ahomaso. Ba for contem. Obre na ho ase a obekọ ni se na oboda de number di daddy number am say o hwe na se mo ni se na daddy number ti o kana sem kro number reply.
Yes.
O te crowd here. Nti on fast search bani be nanti.
Okay.
Maybe they are not to Baba respond. Okay. I'm bringing the career down. But just keep on, we are behind you, okay?
Me dance for that.
Bless you.
Bless up.
Nice one, Baba. Yeah, that's it. I can't for you now. Yeah, I'm going to say more here. 0594 0594 212823 0594 212823. KOJO, sorry, not one who goes out or can some about Winnie Mauga.
Ah, yeah.
Yes, a music na you don't have any personal relationship bia say
your relationship but anye say also ubetimi no be our friends but na mo share anya friends him say the make no ho na yeah but once we me music colleague and you be or akomapa because I remember say me of me sending you man I think so after before a week I know the in the verse in the breme so mo work on no test me say we should be was a fee yeah bia see I mean pull up man na so me call na me cause support so you that love no yeah
wow great KOJO me jawa mo akono fans viewers we supporters then as to this far baby I'll be member menkwa homa so mbra hello
BIGSTAR DJ.
Yes super didn't baby agaza free
Onya be ma so me the word after
nice one and KOJO wa hanum say onu KOJO nim komo
BIGSTAR oni baby say la chage bu e tira mo ma nya che so na idia enfa
wow
le so mo kan KOJO je oh mama like on sending you na me from say again what is
ciao
and you go BIGSTAR
what a chage na enfa
oni be again o
baby
oh you be back you on mo
oh bi ba jeki ho
and you go
your friend say
and the BIGSTAR with our action
nice one great yes mo fire me so me da se pa na me kan na mo Jimini se KOJO nyum no nkofo de nkofo get Mr. Ampra say o no get na ma mo atwe no ko
fast
kwan atoski so nam so ano 0594212823 0594212823 KOJO o fans then now be catch them.
Okay, obibia utie me enkomo ne yedi bebre edini KOJO na me pesa me da me fans bebre na munyina mo supporting mo streaming me nyom obi de menyom my ringtone obi tro de bia na obo prag ya for abubu ya for I mean baby abefa bia nipa bebre na ebo nyom me who all those things are many jipa and people feel like baby I knew me ntia me who sa nyoma no me appreciate it because it's no easy and supporting am show me no mo nkoso na mo share o mami and maybe this is the first time maybe I would say me dini KOJO menyum out on baby all streaming platforms so bit ma check the current song akitesia Jiwo baby on to support and so big ups to BIGSTAR Amisha big up to Q Ninyana DJ Toski Amisha mo most of my supporting from day one mugusa mo supporting Yamanya mo kasepa shouts to Last Hero Shouts to Rocky, my business manager, Big Shark. Shouts to him, Director Kai. Big ups to my team, Love Team, Alone, Kobiayama, Sexy Don Don. Big ups to Owas Boys in Yanamichem. And shout outs to Media Chama Bob. Shouts to Director Vision, Ubia, Moamo support. I mean, keep supporting. Yeah, shouts to Chisa. I'm guy, but a huge more time used to be sound on TikTok. Yeah, Chisa, Nidino, no. Meaning the same school.
Okay.
Yeah, was
Okay. Great. I don't come to sound on one some Acadesiano or Subiana because
Chase idea or you'll be a opinion.
Okay.
You school me now like also you'll be a sebi or a disabled kakra in 90 to future but style will be see out so your man like once in your money that moment now you feel like wow so upon within your manapa Chase self big ups to him Yamisha no Yanikis a belinki.
Okay. KOJO, last words, what that will be answering. Your friends, Unia no more, Moswafi no more bar, Bambuna bar, was why I am fat. Bonum name fat. Radio, you Kevin, ya never fat. In your good to say, found.
Fama, Unjindi.
I mean, waffle.
Found God.
But that's a bit real. And then I will catch you one more.
Okay. Divya Meka Adibia no ho ye na say when him say you are doing the right thing and now cause one we no one give you up I be rem.
Great.
Then if you are doing the right thing we na so am far when say oh maybe you are not doing something right.
Yes.
Cause when him say the me na no be na way but we someone say didn't na we dey no e kwa me dey no ko it means there's something missing. So just keep on learning, doing new things. A man your mom who now I did be only say a big you watch so be because a bebo be brilliant. One thing is say keep it real.
Great.
Keep it real. People will love you for who you are.
Yes.
You're real. Yeah. Oh, me performance me pecking promise asem. But enkoye bibia me can say it's the same thing or something. Just be different.
Yes.
Yeah, keep it real. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Be yourself. Yeah. I think so. No one me me. Yeah, so just keep it real. That's what I can say.
Lefty. Me ko onkasa.
You want the obaji One obaji word back could be 50 cedis.
Or come back
could be and see imagine say obe the on get here see aka what the car off. Hey, Lefty. Watching home.
Super so the pocket book do na kata
David no there
or the book do or the book do na kata great KOJO mirase let me show you no nyo kesi
amen
ya fast that's some international event on the call media no so on YouTube Katakyiie FM TV mo hwe nyina nyamisha mo nyina no nyemu nyina mo kese KOJO TikTok live no mama was nyina me say remember YouTube Katakyie FM TV Katakyie FM TV na yes mo subscribe my kama pa na bibia enye fan pa atuma so makese BIGSTAR DJ eni and me ne KOJO and di nkomo on OFIE drive show the Crescent Answer full team tipen Oten and DJ Toski warum say DJ Kelvin ewa hanum say love to buy yes the antes and the chatters and the tatters mine by Osha one corner. International one Jawa Hanum say international event Abuami ye pa yes my executive producer on obey Jumani nyina ma kama pa na just a bibia ankoso medame ho aba na chese yere dia ka nyina aba bewie tipen ye KOJO asori sedasema na azin chirasem be na wo kan twato de amano na yenko wakani
yeba
yes.
So on fa hom brase. Ede na mi atwe ne watro. Ona di kan pie.
Yes.
O ma hantan wuro ofa. Ya ye pija wo ya ebo ni ya be sa bra wasa.
Yes.
E Yesu Kristo ba wiase. Sana usana. Asawa sa kwani crucify him. Nkunu anka ye wo. Iwo ho Barnabas we zen ki kunu.
Yeah.
So na na e pe Kristo. Bon kan share team say ye na ye piano ya na be say atwede ma ho brase enumu no kon kotodwa no bia akwa so sera ma ho brase ho
okay
ede ne be
okay
esuma ande ne nam ichi ene so wutia bo se suma ne de echi na no de ho ma de nyumo no kona no de domra no ho ase o kwa chense
yeah
se de ohun ne se ebe hia bi onu ana masa sense on pem fam ye so mo bento bodi no signal se fam e beto ayi no so be sa komo pa mo Peter meto so suma na no de e fa
okay nice one tipe ne me da se nyame sha obebi emfa emmame
Baby, I Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
Sure, baby. Let me go in my body count before some sure, baby. She a fine baby. Some shining in my, now me come team Saudi and I'm a penny. My royalty, baby. Yeah, me come baba nice, so be a new deal with him. Wechi. Cause you chima me so. Babylon, bro. Because you chima me so. I get this, say now I am a man inside. I got me some
Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
It's in the gym, I can taste it. Say now I am a man inside. I got me some falling,
Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
Yes, my yes, yes, my shit. Forget the casa, hope you ticket, and I'm over holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me, go my soul. Fatuna Musa, number one, Sikam, tell them a trash show. Miss if I go my soul. Fatuna Musa, number one, Sikam, tell them a trash show. My royalty,
Baby, Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie. Baby, Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
She a fine baby. Some shining in my,
Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
Baby, yeah, me come baba nice, so be a new deal with him. Wechi. Cause you chima me so. Babylon, bro. Because you chima me so. I get this, say now I am a man inside. I got me some falling, so be a day. I'm making my time when you say my bicycle coming was them. It's in the gym,
Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
I'm making my time when you see my bicycle coming was them. Yes, imagine yes, my shit. Forget the casa, hope you ticket, and I'm over holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me, go my soul. Fatuna Musa, number one, Sikam, tell them a trash show. Miss if I go my soul. Fatuna Musa, number one, Sikam, tell them a trash show. My royalty, baby. Yeah, me come baba nice, so be a new deal with him. Wechi. Cause you chima me so. Babylon, go. Because you chima me so. I get this, say now I am a man inside. I got me some falling, so be a day. I'm making my time when you see my bicycle coming was them. It's in the gym, I can taste it. Say now I am a man inside.
Obianchie, Katakyie, 90.9 FM, Anigyie Fie.
Yes, my yes, my shit. Forget the casa,
and it will be some holidays for Dubai, but before that, mommy go so my soul. But when I do something, the war, say come tell them a show.
Oh, and don't forget that Beats Fodder made this classy.
Baby, I did. Obiachi, Katakyie,